Welcome to YouTube channel Linga Reddy Chemistry JE NEET. Structure of the atom PYQ JE January 2019 questions. It is the second video we are going to discuss. Question number 3. What is the work function on the metal if the light wavelength 4000 angstrom generate photoelectron of velocity 6 into 10 power 5 meter per second from it? See, just you assume is the metal surface, the photoelectron is falling, photon is falling, so it is nothing but light. So electron is ejected here. This electron velocity v is given 6 into 10 power 5 meter per second. This light wavelength is given 4000 angstrom. This is the information. Now what you have to calculate? Work function. See, in the photoelectric effect, K H nu equal H nu naught plus K. This is the formula. Here H nu naught, this is nothing but work function W naught. Okay, this thing we have to calculate. Here H nu, H is the Planck constant, nu is the this light frequency. K is nothing but half mv square. Half mv square. Just you substitute all those values here. Planck constant is given here 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 into nu. Nu equal to c by lambda. The formula nu equal to c by lambda. C is the light velocity. Light velocity is given 3 into 10 power 8 c by lambda, 4000 angstroms. 4000 angstroms converting into meter. 10 power minus 8 is centimeter, 10 power minus 10 is meter. 10 power minus 10. You have to multiply. Right? H nu is over, that equal W naught we have to calculate plus Ke. Ke means half mv square. Half m. M is the mass of electron. Is given 9 into 10 power minus 31. Sometimes they don't give, you have to remember. Okay, mv square. V also given. V is given electron velocity 6 into 10 power 5. So 6 into 10 power 5 whole square. Okay. Now these calculation you have to do. Okay, first of all powers I will do it. So 3 से multiply करो. Approximately 6 3s are 18 and 19.8. 19.8 into 10 power c minus 34. This 8 is there, that is plus 8. Here 4000 को मैं 4 into 10 cube लिख सकते. 10 cube means here 10 power minus 7 हो जाएगा. Minus 7 if it goes up plus 7. So अभी down क्या है? सिर्फ 4 is there. That is equal to W naught plus, this is the 4.5, I can write it, 4.5 into 10 power minus 31. This 10 5 square, that means plus 10. Okay, 6 square means 36. Okay, 36 upon nothing. Here 1 only, because 2 1s are 2 9. 4.5 I did here. Okay, then this 10 power it becomes 7 plus 7 4 15. 15 means here 10 power minus 19 हो जाएगा. Here 10 power minus 21 हो जाएगा. Okay, then if you do these all calculation W naught, see it is time consuming question. Okay, then still I will try 6 almost 5 ले सकते 20 है तो 5 ले सकते लेकिन 19.8 is there, that's why I'm taking 4.9. okay, so 4.9 into 10 power minus 10 19 हो जाएगा इधर W naught equal W naught plus this one is 36 into 4.5 36 into 4.5 into 10 power minus 21. okay, the next, if you take this total value here, okay, then we will get W naught equal to approximately we will get 3.3 into 10 power minus 19 joules, we will get it. So this joule is converting into electron volt because answer is required in electron volts. You will get 2.1 electron volt. What is the relation between electron volt and joule? 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 volt equal to 1 joule. Okay, this is the hint here. It is equal to 1 electron charge. Easily you can remember. So here 3.3 is there. See, approximately more than double. Okay, that's why 2.1 electron volt. Your answer will be B. Okay, here just it is time consuming question, but there is no difficult. Question number 4. The ground state energy of hydrogen atom is minus 13.6 electron volt. The energy of second excited state of helium plus ion in electron volt. See, second excited state is very important. These are the energy levels. Electron is here. First excited state means here. Second excited state means electron is here. So n equal to 1, 2, 3. So the electron is present at third level. Okay. Now ground level का तो दिया है minus 13.6 electron volt is given. Right now the electron is in the third position. What is the energy? So just you calculate, take the energy formula. What is the energy formula here? Minus 13.6 into Z square by N square. Z square by N square. Okay, when N value is increasing, this total value will be decreased. The negative value decreasing means actually E will be increasing. Okay, like that you can remember easily formula. So these formulas you have to remember. 13 point, ये electron volt में minus 13.6, joules में है तो you will get different 2.18 into 10 power minus 18, you will get different value. The constant will be changed. Z square by N square is the common. Right. Now just you apply this, that implies minus 13.6 into Z, atomic number, hydrogen helium, so 2 square upon N is 3, so 3 square. Electron is present in the third shell, so 3 square, that means 4 by 9, that implies minus 13.6 into 4 by 9. Okay, then you can do easily 4 1s 4 2s, then 4 2.2, approximately आधा होगा, मतलब 6. C is the answer. Okay, exact accurate जरूरत नहीं है. See the values. One is 3, 54, 27 like that is there. Easily you can guess that 13.6 by 2.2 means approximately 6 is there. That is the answer. So here also direct question. It is just a formula. If you remember, you can solve easily this question. Next, concept based question. Which of the graph shown below does not? This not is very important. Sometimes maximum times the students will do the mistake. They don't take it serious. Simply in the examination they have some tension, so they will neglect this. After reading the question immediately, yes, this option is correct, that's why they will take this. But the question is asking which does not represent. Okay, the relationship between incident light and the electron ejected from the metal surface. Okay, see here, energy of the light. Energy of the light. See, first again I will take the one figure. This is the light. Okay, electron ejected. This is the electron ejected. Now, this electron has kinetic energy. If you take more stronger light, more energy light, the kinetic energy will be more, of course. It has some work function. That's why for low frequency, the electron cannot eject. Okay, the light frequency or energy, it should be minimum कुछ होना चाहिए. हर एक मेटल के लिए कुछ होता है. Suppose sodium is there, 4500 nanometer light or light is required, like that. So below that it cannot. So initially low energy time में there is no electron. Then after some time electrons started ejecting. Then if you increase the energy, kinetic energy will be increased. So this is the correct graph. Next, intensity of light and kinetic energy. Intensity means what? Many number of photons. In that case, what will happen? Number of electron will be ejected. One photon equal to one electron. It will eject. Okay, kinetic energy में कोई difference नहीं है. Kinetic energy there is no change. So this graph also correct. Next, number of electrons. See, frequency of light. When frequency of light is increasing, when energy is increasing, obviously kinetic energy will be increased. But number of electrons are not increasing. So number of electrons are same. So this graph also correct. Then when frequency of light increasing, kinetic energy increasing, sure, that's true. But the thing is, when frequency of light is 0, means very smaller, kinetic energy also given. So it is not started from origin. It is started from here. Okay, this graph is correct. This is the wrong. This graphical line is not started from origin. Because frequency of light is very minimum is there, that time there is no electron ejecting. So your answer finally D. D is your answer, which is not correct. Next, if the de Broglie wavelength of electron in nth orbit in hydrogenic atom is equal to 1.5 A0. A0 is the Bohr radius. Then the value of n by z is the de Broglie wavelength of the electron in nth orbit, hydrogen wavelength is given, it's okay. De Broglie wavelength lambda is given 1.5 pi A0 is given. Asking n by z is asking. So first of all you have to bring the relationship between these two. So we know that according to Bohr's atomic model, 2 pi r equal to n lambda. 2 pi r equal to n lambda. 2 pi r means, see this type of graph, have you seen that? Okay, actually circular path he told, later it is proved that, okay, this 2 pi r is equal to n lambda. So this is the any number of some lambdas, some waves. Okay, 2 pi r equal to n lambda, one formula we know already. As well, we know that r radius equal to some A0 constant into n square by z. N square by z. These are the formulas. Okay. Now no need to derive these formulas. Now 2 pi r equal to n lambda, r equal to this much. क्योंकि we need n by z ना, that's why I am taking these formulas. Some students may got it doubt, sir, why you are taking these formulas? Because the question is asking n by z. So n by z, radius, lambda, these relevant formulas I have to take. Now, just you apply this formula, 2 pi r के जगह पे a naught n square by z 2 pi r equal n lambda. This is the final formula. Now 2 pi a naught as it is n square by z, let it be n square by z. Which atom it is? Atom, hydrogen atom. Okay, so okay, z also as it is. Next, n lambda. Lambda value is 1.5 pi a naught. So now simply you can cut it, this a naught and a naught you can cut it, n and n square you can cut it, then pi and pi you can cut it. What is remaining? N by z equal 1.5 by 2. That means 0.75. See, very simple question. The problematic and memorized things, these two are there. Formulas you have to remember, that's only. N by z is asking, okay. Here bore radius is asking, so radius and n by z कहाँ है वो formulas you have to bring it. As well de Broglie wavelength का formula, relevant formulas we have to bring. These two formulas are important. After that nothing, just you have to substitute r value here, then substituting remaining. Hardly 3 steps, within 1 minute you can do. These are comes under average questions. The de Broglie wavelength lambda associated with a photoelectron varies with the frequencies nu. The incident radiation as nu naught is threshold frequency. It's okay. See this formula, if you look at this, which formula you are getting? Lambda equal h by mv, de Broglie wavelength wala formula. In the furtherly you can write this formula only h by under root of 2mke. ये भी एक फार्मूला था. How we are getting? mv equal to k equal to half mv square formula. If you substitute half mv square, then mv से इधर से you will get it this formula. Already we derived these formulas. Remembering formula is important. So now Ke, then photoelectric effect, h nu equal h nu naught plus Ke, ये photoelectric effect में. Then Ke equal h nu minus h nu naught, as well I can take it, h is a common, nu minus nu naught also I can take it. Then just substitute this, what is this, Ke. Ke के जगह पे I can substitute h into nu minus nu naught. So then I am writing here lambda equal h upon under root 2m, Ke के जगह पे h nu minus nu naught, right? Then lambda directly, h is the constant, lambda directly proportional to 1 by 2m h, these all are constants only. So nu minus nu naught, under root is there, power 1 by 2 लिख सकते. So this is equal to this one, so D is your answer. D is your answer. Okay, here also direct formula you have to remember. If you remember the formula, you will get it very easy. Ke, this is the photoelectric effect. Photoelectric. Question number 9. Which of the following combination of statement is true regarding the interpretation of atomic orbitals? Atomic orbitals, s orbital, p orbital, dumbbell shape, spd. So regarding these orbitals, which are the statements are correct? An electron in an orbital of higher angular momentum stays away from the nucleus than an electron in the orbital of lower angular momentum. An electron in an orbital of higher angular momentum. Suppose higher angular momentum means L equal to 1 is there, L equal to 0 is there. तो s ऑर्बिटल p ऑर्बिटल, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन इसमें है, इसमें एक इलेक्ट्रॉन है. Now an electron in an orbital higher angular momentum stays away from the nucleus. Obviously we know that p orbital is away from the nucleus than s orbital. See, suppose the first shell, second shell, s, 2s and 2p, the energy levels also higher, no? So that is the statement is true. For a given value of the principal quantum number, the size of the orbit is inversely proportional to the azimuthal quantum number. Size of the orbit is inversely proportional to the azimuthal quantum number. See here, I am taking quantum number, suppose principal quantum number is 3. The size of the orbit is inversely proportional to the azimuthal quantum number. You are asking that 3s, 3p, 3d में 3d is smaller, 3d is smaller, तो ये wrong है. 3d smaller नहीं, 3s smaller होता है, then 3p bigger, 3d is more bigger. According to wave mechanics, the ground state angular momentum is equal to h by 2 pi. Angular momentum formula is under root of L into L plus 1 h by 2 pi. So ground state. So hydrogen के लिए ground state means L equal to 0. So total value will be 0. So this is also wrong statement. The plot psi versus r for various azimuthal quantum numbers shows peak shifting towards higher r value. The plot psi versus small r for various azimuthal quantum numbers. I am taking s, p, d like this. See, s orbital का ऐसा होता है. Then p orbital, it will start like this. Various azimuthal quantum number, right? L equal to 0, L equal to 1, L equal to 2 like this. Then d orbital will come like this. The plot psi versus r, various azimuthal quantum numbers show peak shifting towards higher r value. Yes, peak shifting here, peak here is there, highest peak is here, this highest peak is here. Okay, it is going away from the center. So this is also true. 1 and 4, these both statements are true. Okay, theoretical question it is, concept based. Next, question number 10. Heat treatment of muscular pain involves radiation of wavelength of about 900 nanometer. Which spectral line of hydrogen atom is suitable for this purpose? See here, hydrogen spectral lines are like this: Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, Brackett, P-Fund, like this is there. So from different energy level to electron jumping into first level, some certain amount of energy is releasing. Okay, the same from suppose infinity say are electron. From the infinity level, if it is jumping into third level, it is coming with a different energy. This different energy, different frequency is there, different wave number is there. Okay. Now, we have one formula to calculate what is the wave number of this energy while electron falling from higher energy to lower energy level. To calculate wave number, we have one formula. So this is the formula. So here the lambda is, it should be 900 nanometer, already given. So we don't know what is the n initial and what is the n final, we don't know. But I am taking that electron is started from infinity. Why? See here, three options are given: infinity, infinity. So simply initial is I am taking, initial is taking infinity से electron आ रहे infinity से, कहाँ तक we don't know. So final I am taking nf as it is, final I am taking as it is, but my answer should be the lambda should come 900. Okay, so lambda nu bar equal to 1 by lambda, that equal to RH. So RH I written here. This is the formula. Until this, anyone have any doubt? This is the formula direct. The RH I written here, that's enough. Then n initial I am taking infinity. Why? Because infinity say electron are a maximum. Suppose if I am not getting this answer, then obviously I will take other option. Okay. Then 1 by infinity. So 1 by infinity, that equal nothing but 0. Then my answer 1 by lambda, lambda is 900 nanometer. 900 nanometer converting into centimeter. Why I am converting into centimeter? Because RH is given in the centimeter. So I converted into centimeter by multiplying 10 power minus 7. Then RH value already given in the question, 10 power 5. Then 1 by n final square minus 1 by infinity, there is a 0. Okay, next 10 power minus 7 into 10 power 2. Okay, that equal 10 power minus 5. 10 power minus 5, 10 power plus 5. Cancel, only 1 by 9 is there. Right side 1 by n final square. Now NF you can calculate very easily. See, by doing square we are getting 9, means obviously NF equal to 3. What is n initial? N initial I took it infinity. Infinity say electron are a third shell. Third shell. What is the third shell name? Passion. So passion. Okay, series is the passion series. Electron jumping from infinity to third. Answer is there. Suppose if I am not getting this answer, any one of this option, then I have to move for this A option. Okay, here maximum times you can do like this. So you will get any one of the option. If you are not getting out of these three options, then you have to move A. Okay, this is the easy method to calculate. Next, for emission line of atomic hydrogen from n initial is 8, n final we don't know. Okay, इधर से electron इधर आ रहे, ठीक है. The plot of wave number nu, wave number general nu bar होता है, against 1 by n square will be Rydberg constant RH, the wave number unit. It's okay. Graph कैसे है? Just it is also based on the concept. See, first of all you have to write the formula nu bar equal to 1 by lambda, that equal to RH 1 by n final square minus n initial square. This is the graph. So from emission line of atomic hydrogen, n initial तो 8 है, n final कुछ भी हो, ठीक है, whatever it. Then graph is the plot was wave number nu bar versus this one, ठीक है, nu bar equal to RH n final we don't know, n final square minus n initial तो 8 square, that means 64. Yes, that means 64. Okay, so n final, the emission of line means n final maximum होगा less than 8, होगा. It may be 7, 6, 5 dash. Suppose I am assuming that 1 by 7 square minus 1 by 64. 1 by 7 square means that is nothing but 49. 1 by 49 minus 1 by 64 means obviously I will get positive value. I never get negative value. Okay, nu bar equal RH, whatever this is the positive value. Positive value. So here y equal mx plus 0 plus c. In this graph, what is the slope? RH is the slope. Okay, x axis and y axis. It is coming through the origin. Then it is the y axis. So the graph will be moving upward with slope m. What is the slope here? RH is the slope. Here two options are there, slope minus r and plus r. Obviously plus r is the slope. Plus r is the slope. We never get the minus value. Because n initial always less than 8 only. Electron falling from 8th level to maybe 7th level, 6th, 5th, 2, 1, whatever. Okay. So your answer is, the line is linear with slope RH. So C is your answer. Okay, C is your answer. Bye. Thank you. You solve the remaining questions and ask doubts.